You are in charge.
I'm following. I'm carrying you.
No.
So this is Front Page Africa Live. We're here at the Supreme Court in Monrovia, a Temple of Justice, where former House Speaker Fonati Koffa has just left the Chamber Justice Office.
Okay, so I think there's going to be a bad analogy, but I'm going to use it anyway because I like to make things simple, right? Imagine the game started, the other side felt they had a very good team, okay? We are 20 minutes into the game, and they decide they don't like the linesman, okay? And the referee decides that he's going to start the game all over. He's going to disband the whole game and start it over. It's a fundamental issue of fairness, okay? The trial was on, and you disband the jury. When the prosecution had overwhelming evidence, even if the jury didn't believe one of the evidence, the overwhelming weight of the evidence should convince the jury. To disband the jury, we thought was an issue of fundamental fairness, and that is not what our constitution says. So we came out.
Now that they go before the circuit court requesting a change of venue, what do you think of this entire request from the prosecution?
The whole change of venue issue is laughable, right? Okay. Because what is the issue? You got all this overwhelming evidence, we're proceeding, then you come back now and say you want to change to go where? You know, Timbuktu, where you want to go? Okay, where will you go that will be in your favor or that will change the evidence? You do not have the evidence. Your first witness proved that you do not have a case. Okay, but yes, you're proceeding to change venue, you're proceeding to disband jury, you're proceeding to do all kinds of different things. We just wanted to try this case.
Are you sensing something sinister?
Am I what?
Sensing something sinister in the case?
I'm not sensing anything sinister other than the prosecution don't have the evidence that they convince the public. Okay, because they have come now and said, oh, change the venue because the media is involved. We don't want the media to be involved. Who had the first press conference on this case? It was the police director, okay, that went before the Liberian public and for 2 hours castigated us that will bring the capital building.
You still sound confident in their belief that they do not have a case against you?
If they take their case to Timbuktu, the verdict will be not guilty. They don't have a case.
So are you willing
to? They don't have the evidence.
Are you
and
willing
this is what this is all about.
Are you willing to go to another venue?
I'm willing to go anywhere if the court say we should go. What I'm not willing to do is to play this game until the prosecution wins. Okay? Let's get what the evidence you say you have. Let's put that evidence to test and let a verdict come out. Now you come and say, no, you don't want this jury because they ask a hard question. You don't want to be in Montserrat because too many people will be involved. That's it. What else? What next?
What's the position of the Chamber of Justice?
No, I don't know. You will hear from him.
So what was your case push and before the Chamber of Justice?
The last question.
What was it? What you people carried before him?
We carry him on the disbandment of the jury.
Okay.
That the jury was disbanded illegally.
Thank you.
All right.